How to turn on and enable cloud boost on UC browser app. Hello guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the cloud boost on UC browser. First thing you have to do, go to UC browser. Now this is the home page as you can see, and go down here, click on those three lines and click on this settings little option. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now here you will find the cloud boost. Click here and click on from here. Now it's very easy and fast, it turned on. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.